this is Mr. McChicken Part 2. And he's been mostly eaten, sadly. But I'm eating more. Once he dies, I'm really sad. Oh my god, this is my song. You want to see my song? It's this. I know I have to have my crappy iPod because I lost my iPod Touch. It sucks. I feel Mr. McChicken, he is my best friend. And I just love him to death. And Melissa thinks he's weird. But I think he's wonderful.
I think he's stupid.
Hurry! You did not just say that.
Who?
Oh, okay. Still, don't be saying stuff about my best friend. I love you this big. I haven't ever seen this big. No one's ever dreamed this big. And okay, we need to get it on Mr. McChicken because this is Mr. McChicken Part 2.
Okay.
Okay. He has bread, chicken, lettuce, mayonnaise, and then bread.
Ew.
Yum.
Nasty.
And then
Ratchet.
he has the wrapper. And I'm going to eat him more because I'm hungry.
He's Ratchet.
You Ratchet.
He's Ratchet.
You Ratchet.
Yeah, Ratchet Hole.
Ew, there's fat. What? Look.
He's Ratchet.
Let's say it would be Ratchet. You know Ratchet means nasty.
I know. He Ratchet.
Yeah, Mr. McChicken be Ratchet.
I told you once, but you wanted to eat him.
Shut up.
You wanted to be his friend.
I'm still gonna eat him. He don't deserve to live.
You really is Ratchet.
Who is that? Is that Jay Williams?
No.
Yeah, it is. Oh, no, it's not.
No, it's not. It's not that dark.
Shut up. I'm not that smart.
You're smarter than that.
I'm not that smart because I'm still eating the sandwich.
Just to realize that.
Bye-bye.
I don't think there's going to be a part 3. I think I'm just going to